Welcome to the Nantucket Garden Club Coastal Resilient Native Plant Garden in the front of the Saltmarsh Senior Center. We started this garden because the Garden Club wanted to do a conservation project. A committee was formed and we decided to do this native plant garden in the front of the Senior Center with the help of NCEA board that oversees the Saltmarsh. We ordered a lot of plants from a local nursery and started working on a regular basis in the garden. When we came back in June, we realized that a lot of our plugs were gone. The rabbits had eaten them. There are a lot of rabbits in Nantucket, and there are a lot of rabbits right here in this area. We learned pretty quickly which plants they don't like, and we planted more of those. After that first summer, the main perennial that was left was the grass-leaf goldenrod. In September, the garden was really beautiful, blooming all yellow from that goldenrod. And then we left the plants through the winter because that's beneficial to insects and wildlife. And the invasive black swallowwort, which is really detrimental to butterflies, it mimics milkweeds, but it's toxic to butterflies. So we remove it. We try to dig up the roots, and if we can't dig the roots, then we make sure that we remove any flowers and we don't let it go to seed. By the end of the season, the garden was starting to fill in pretty nicely. We've got plants here that the rabbits don't like. We don't seem to have a problem with deer in this area. Everything is thriving at this point. Everything's blooming. So far as the benefits of native plants, these plants need little water. Native plants contribute to biodiversity, and they provide a sense of place since they evolved in this ecosystem. I'll leave you with a quote from Doug Tallamy, a noted expert on native plants. He says, "In the past, we have asked one thing of our gardens, that they be pretty. Now they have to support life, sequester carbon, feed pollinators, and manage water." Thank you.